Hello, today I'm going to show you on how to run Passio's Nutrition AI SDK example app. First and foremost, we will need to get a license key from Passio site. So if you open up a Passio website, hit on product and check on the nutrition tracker and hit on try nutrition AI today. Here you'll get the button to start subscribe to our Passio Nutrition AI SDK, and it will all be in this self-service portal where you can sign up and subscribe to get your license key. Now, once you get your license key, you can start to go over to our GitHub repository in this location. It's called Passio Nutrition AI RN SDK distribution. And in this repository, you will be able to see or inspect our SDK codes, React Native bridge, and also an example app. And this is the one that we're going to do today. So to clone this repository, you can simply find the repository or the Git file or Git URL. And then you can open up from your terminal. Let's say we do it on desktop. I can just simply do clone this repository. Now, once I'm done with cloning the repository, then I can go over to the folder. From here, you can go to the example directory and do a yarn install. Once the yarn install is done, then you can go to the iOS folder and do a pod install. Once the pod install process done, then we can open Xcode and open the project. Let's open the example project. So we open the iOS folder under example under the repository folder. So this is my example project. As a start, we can try to run it on simulator. Okay, let's see. if we see this error that has to do with yoga on React, we can just simply do fix with the recommended fix button here. Once we fix that, then we can rerun the build. There is another error, and we can just simply use the recommended fix button here and run the project again. Yep, when it's complete building and running on simulator, as you can see, the app is running, or the example app is now running on the simulator here. It shows an error with message that Passio SDK error key not valid. This is as expected because we haven't supplied the license key to the code yet. But this is a proof that the app is already running, or the example app is already running on simulator. Next, we can check the code. Let's open the Next, we'll open the example code. It's on desktop, Passio Nutrition AI SDK, example folder. Let's open it. And then let's see, this is the file structure of the example app. Let's inspect the loading container view TSX under SRC folder. Right. Now, as you can see in this code, this block code from line 14 to line 17, this is where we configure the Passio SDK. And this line 15 here, this is where we should supply our license key. So for the next steps, I will supply with the valid license key and try to run the app on device. To run the app on device, I can open up from Xcode. Let me stop the simulator first. And then I would just simply hook up my iPhone device and select that from the Xcode selection here. So this is my device. Okay. Now that I have supplied my license key, I will run it on my device. Now the example app is successfully built and currently running on device. Next, I'm going to show you how the app looks like on the device. Now here is how the app looks like on the device. Instead of showing an error, now it's showing to menu, start scanning or scan from an image. We're going to try with the start scanning. And for example, I'm scanning this ice cream box. I can also scan the barcode. Or the ice cream image. Yep. Yep. That would conclude our demo today.